You can go from a simple grid to something that looks more professional. Let's see. So what you're gonna need to do here is first, let's right click, new item, and then here we have color matte. Click on color matte. Okay, I'm gonna select this color, drag and drop in your timeline. Use option and use a little bit to zoom in. Now in effects, I'm gonna search for grid. Now I'm gonna grab it and drag it onto the video. Now in effects control, we have here grid, but then here in size form, please select instead of corner point, width slider. And then here, what's cool, we can change the width. Now back here in effects, we're gonna need some noise, right? Because we don't have noise. Noise. And now here we have noise, and we can increase the amount of noise. Okay. Drag. Now here we can play with size and amount. It's really up to you here how you prefer. But look at this, how nice this looks.